Hey YouTube, this is 00HunterZero here. Hurricane Maria. This is what it looks like right now. It's very hard to see, but you could hear how windy the hurricane is. See, if you just look outside here. Right now we have no power, but can't really see, but right there is our car. See, right there is our car. That orange little glow. And this door is shaking. See? And over here, this door is boarded up. See? But it is still shaking and making noises. Pretty crazy, right? That's it for now, YouTube. Wait, also this room. Been getting pretty flooded. That's it for now, YouTube.